What's up, Ghost here. This video, I'm gonna try to keep it quick too. This is how you install an HK 3-point sling. Alright, it's gonna come like that in 2 pieces. Okay, first things first, lay them down exactly like I have them. Stitch part come in here. You want the stitch part up on that piece, and then you want your hook facing this way with the stitch that way. Okay, it's important, and I'll show you why in a minute. Now take this piece, come through the back at an angle like this. No, and in you go. It's actually easy to get in. There you go. It's because I'm looking at the camera. All right, now these are gonna come stiff if it's new, so make sure it's you know, straight. See, I'm checking right now, and it's important it's straight because this clip's got to be on the bottom. This is what connects to the actual stock itself. So now that you got that connected on, what you're gonna do is take the other side here. This is what the front looks like, what you just did. Take the other side, come through the back here, and then just come right through right here. That's it. This connects, like I said, to the stock itself. This is in a regular 2-point position. It should look like that when it's installed, if you did it right. And I'm gonna roll it up so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, fold it up. I mean, see, it should look like that. The clip facing that way. Like again, like I said, it's gonna clip onto your A3 stock or your regular full-length, not collapsible, and that's it. And then there's the many different various ways you could use this 3-point sling, but that is how you put it together. Ghost out.